फर्मा नाव येवन नंदी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि आरके ट्रेडिंग म्हणून आरके ट्रेडिंग कसं म्हणल्यार ऑनलाईन बिझनेस खातीर विंगड आमी एक फर्म आसा दॅट इज आरके ट्रेडिंग. नंदी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इज बेसिकली आमगेले सेल्स आनी हें करचे वयले तेन्ना तुमगेले हायटेक म्हणल्यार एक ब्रँड. ह्या ब्रँडान तूं आमगेले व्हेकल ट्रॅकिंग सिस्टम आनी सेक्युरिटी सिस्टम दॅट इज CCTV कशी आसता घर कडेन तशीच आमी गाडीक वॅनाक लॉरीक बसाक काराक एनी टायप ऑफ व्हेकल्स ताका पुराक आमी CCTV प्रोवायड करताची. सो तेज विशयार हांव तुमकां सांगता. ಎಂತು ये 360 डिग्री आमगेले CCTV सिस्टम म्हणून लॉरीक यूज करताची चढ वता आतां. हे लॉरी कसं म्हणल्यार व्हेकल कॅरिंग सिस्टम आसता एक ह्यूज कंटेनर लॉरीज आसता. ಎಂತು व्हेकल ड्रायव्हराक फुल्ली मॉनिटर करूंक मस्त कश्ट जाता. तेजे खातीर आमी तांकां इझी करूंक खातीर फ्रंट बॅक सायड्स आनी इनसायड द कॅबीन अशें आमी एक कॅमेरा प्रोवायड करून ताका डिस्प्ले आमी फ्रंट तेंगेल्या ड्रायव्हराल्या येद्राक घालताचे. सो तांकां ते इट विल बी व्हेरी इजियर. एट द एंड तूं दोन नमुने सिस्टम आसा एक विथ DVR एक विदाउट DVR. हे DVR कसं लायक म्हळ्यार हे DVRान तूं कसले आतां कॅमेरान कॅप्चर जाल्ले इमेजीस रेकॉर्ड जाता. हे रेकॉर्ड जावन ओनराक ताका केन्ना जाय जाल्यार पळोवयत फ्रॉम रिमोट लोकेशन दाखून पळोवयत और वेन एवर ट्रक तेगेले लग येताना यार्डा येताना ताणें काणू तेंतू दाखून ताका कस कसं प्रॉब्लम्स जाला व्हेकलाक एक खंयचे निमती एक्सिडेंट जाला एक तेजे निमती ड्रायव्हराक कसले ड्रायव्हरा निमती कस नेग्लिजन्स आशिल्ली की अनेक व्हेकलाचे नेग्लिजन्स आशिल्ली की अशी पुरा हेंचो रेकॉर्ड ऑलरेडी जावन आसता. तें ताका इजी जाता प्रेझेंटेशन करूं की ताका कोणाले एक्झॅक्टली प्रॉब्लम निमती हे पुरा विशय जाल्ला म्हूण. ಎಂತೂಜಿ ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ आमी बसाक घालीत स्कूल बसाक घालीत आनी खंयचे विंगड व्हेकल्साक घालीत आमी ಎಂತೂ कसले येना ಎಂತೂ एक युनिट आसा हे तुमकां पेजार नंबर 3 or 1 दाखयता. हे कसा म्हळ्यार हे पॉवर डिफरन्स करता आसता ಕೆಲಪಂತ व्हेकल्सांत व्होड लॉरीजान 24 वोल्ट आसता सान लॉरीजान 12 वोल्ट आसता तेन्ना हे प्रोडक्ट आमी ताका यूज करताचे नंबर 3. नेक्स्ट हे बेसीक रिवर्स कॅमेरा सिस्टम म्हणून ಎಂತೂ कसं म्हळ्यार जस्ट आमगे कारा पुरो आशिल्ले म्हळ्यार लॉरीक रिवर्स कॅमेरा सिस्टम ಎಂತೂ एक 7-inch मॉनिटर येता एक रिवर्स कॅमेरा येता आनी वायरिंग किट येता. हे बेसिकली आमी एक लॉरीक बॅक सायड टॉप घालताचे कसले म्हळ्यार खंय कोलिशन जाल्यार ताका कसले डॅमेज जायना म्हळ्यार ಎಂತೂ खाली ड्रायव्हराक he can visible whatever is there right behind the lorry or bus or trucks whatever same
Peace,
as car.
pain, and guilt that is being seen. Whereas in anxiety, there is more of
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, can I continue my presentation?
Yes, yes, you can continue.
Okay. Okay, then for this also we require this power buck system that is called for the 24 or 12 volt difference खातीर हे यूज करता जाता. नेक्स्ट हे GPS ट्रॅकर सिस्टम हे खंयचे बायकाक लॉरीक काराक खंयच्याक यूज करीत हे कसं म्हळ्यार तुमगेले व्हेकल खंय आसा आनी कोण व्हेल्ला तें पुरो तेंतू ट्रॅक करूं जाता आनी ಎಂತೂ 30 days ताका बॅकअपय आसता. तेंतू तुमी व्हेकल केन्ना स्टार्ट जाला खंयचे पॉयंट देखून खंयचे पॉयंट मूव जाला आनी ಎಂತೂ सेक्युरिटी सिस्टम कशी म्हळ्यार ओनरांनी ताका व्हेकला वयर फूल कंट्रोल आसता ताका केन्ना हॅलो
Hello.
हॅलो कॅन आय कंटिन्यू.
Yes.
ओके ओके ಎಂತೂ तिनी व्हेकलांतू फूल कंट्रोल आसता ओनराक. हॅलो
Continue, continue.
ओके ಎಂತೂ कसं जाता म्हळ्यार ह्या व्हेकल स्टार्ट जाले ಕೂಡಲೇ एक मेसेज एक ट्रिगर जाता त्या ट्रिगर ओनराक तेगेले मोबायल की लॅपटॉपाक येता तशी जी लॉरीच्या ताका एक आमी एक जिओ झोन जिओ एरिया म्हणून एक मार्क कोन्न दिताच जिओ फेन्सिंग म्हणटा ताका तेंत कसत म्हळ्यार लॉरी एक पॉयंट देखून अनेक पॉयंट वताना खंयचे त्या जिओ फेन्सिंग देखून भायर गेल्यार इमिडिएट ओनराक अलर्ट येता तुगेले व्हेकल इट इज आउट ऑफ द जिओ फेन्सिंग म्हणून म्हळ्यार एक बॉन्डेड नेटवर्क शे करीत अदरवायज त्या जिओ फेन्सिंग नाका जाल्यार ही कॅन ट्रॅक द व्हेकल वेर एवर विच एवर पार्ट द व्हेकल इज ट्रॅव्हलिंग आतां हांगच्यान मुंबय गेल्यार समेत तಕ್ಕ तेगेले व्हेकल खंयचे पॉयंट खंयचे ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ म्हणून तेणा ಹಂಗ ತೆಗೆಲೆ तेगेल ऑफिस दाखोवनूच त्यान पळोवयत प्लस ते व्हेकल कितले पर्यंत राबला कितले पर्यंत स्टार्ट केला तेवूय ताका डिटेल्स मेळटा आनी ड्रायव्हरांनी कसले जे तेंचो व्हेकला कसले प्रॉब्लेम्स केल्यार ते ताका आत्ताच लेटेस्ट ECM सिस्टम व्हेकल्सांतू ताका तेवूय डिटेल्स मेळटा in case if driver is fiddled with the vehicle or if he has tried to tamper the vehicle or anything like that आनी कशें म्हळ्यार तुमकां बेसिकली हे सिस्टम वर्क जावचे GSM थ्रूचे और GPRS थ्रू वर्क जाता तशें आशिल्ले म्हणटी तुमकां फूल कंट्रोल आसता तुमकां व्हेकल पక్కన ड्रायव्हरांनी मुवमेंट करचे ना आज हांगा राबू का म्हूण आसल्यार तुमी तें ऑफ करून व्हेकलांनी मुखार वचना तें करीत प्लस इन केस व्हेकल मुवमेंटार आसा तुमकां राबुका म्हूण जाल्यार त्या व्हेकलाक एक आमी स्पीड लिमीट दिताच म्हळ्यार इफ द व्हेकल इज ट्रॅव्हलिंग एट द स्पीड ऑफ 60 or 70 kilometer per hour the vehicle will not stop as the vehicle comes low of 30 to 20 kilometer per speed it will gradually it will come into stop halt position ते आमी कंट्रोल करीत व्हेकलाक ಎಂತು it can be fitted for many vehicle like आता fishing department or आता तुमगेला or whichever the cabs की lorries की bikes की cars की any sort of automobile thing we can fit this unit this can really provide a data to the owner so that he can have a control on the vehicle आणि ಎಂತು ಅಪಾಸ್ एक नवे आते के तिरस मला लॉरी कतिरे आम्ही फ्यूल मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम म्हणून ताका आमी इंट्रोड्यूस करतीर आसाचे ಎಂತು कसं म्हळ्यार कितली पर्यंत फ्यूल ट्रक रिफ्यूलिंग जाता तेजे फुल्ल डिटेल्स ते ಎಂತು 30 days आत मट्टाक तेंतु ऑलरेडी स्टोर जावन आसता ओके I will move on to the next one ओके हे कसं म्हळ्यार this is a driver behavior camera ಎಂತು कसं म्हळ्यार this camera will only monitor the driver in case driver is sleepy or is drowsiness feel jalla eke tak he is not feeling well or anything the camera it will monitor his eyes actually the eyes are nimti tak whether is feeling sleepy ki whatever his problem is having the camera immediate detect korno it will send to the owner ek pateta plus it will sorry it will intimate the driver also and it will trigger alarm also so that the driver is again conscious that he is into some problem आणि हे कॅमेरा दोन्ही एका येता लॉरीक येता कॅमेरा आणि काराक येता हे कॅब जाक पुरो आमी आतां इन्स्टॉल करतीर आसात एक्चुअली अकॉर्डिंग टू द RTO रुल्स आतां केलो हाय प्रोफायल कॅब जाक पुरो आतां गलका म्हूण आयला तशें हांव ते आमी इंट्रोड्यूस करतीर आसा ಎಂತ ಐತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಪಂತ ಲಾರಿ ಇಂತು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿರಿ ते कार पावर बॅक आमकां जावका जाता सो यू कॅन यूज दिस होय तुमकां कसले जाय क्वेश्चन्स कसले आसा म्हणजे तुम्ही मेसेज करा और म्हगेल मेल ID तुम्ही यू कॅन यूज यू कॅन सेंड इट
Chaitanya, I can't see your
Jivan Chet,
screen.
yeah
again present your screen, please.
which one the camera one or the
No. Your screen is not
okay
visible to
you
anyone.
want me to present again okay 1 second
You present it once again.
okay have you guys
Okay.
have you guys
Yeah.
seen that
Yeah, it's visible now.
it's visible right have you guys seen
Yeah, it's
that
visible.
driver behavior camera
Driver monitoring. Yeah.
you have seen right okay done
Yeah. Okay.
okay 1 second is it visible now
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah.
You can continue.
Okay. 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 Now I'm moving to this the latest product now because it's a scenario of that COVID-19. We are planning to get a product called as car sanitizing, and even trucks or buses, whatever you can want, you can get it sanitized. It's a small machine actually for the. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Yeah, I'll continue.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. This is a small unit which is used for sanitizing the cars or any sort of vehicle. So in this, what happens is, as in the figure one, you can see it's a unit. It's a very small unit. It's like 1 feet by 2 feet. These are used to create a fog inside the car or a bus or a lorry, whatever, whichever vehicle. So what happens is here, while we on the machine, the it creates a fog inside the vehicle, which kills the bacteria what is there inside, and it will even sanitize the your AC also. For this, I will provide a link later on. You can have a look. There is another machine which is in the blue color and the number 4 figure. That is a machine which is used to sanitize from vehicle from outside, and inside also you can sanitize. But this is a bigger machine which is used for sanitizing the vehicles actually. And there is a the bottle. What you can see is that is a sanitizing liquid which is used in the machine. Once a machine is, one second, I think so it is gone. One second, I'll get.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, one second, one second. I think someone is video is on.
Please put up video of Sumit Verekar mom. Suresh Raj.
Okay. Okay, I'll continue my presentation. Here, this liquid will be used to sanitize your vehicle. Okay. Now, this is a 360-degree car camera system. It is this also comes with the DVR and without DVR. Here, what happens is it will help the driver to see all the corners of the vehicle. As you can see in the image, the second image, it is showing how the camera is functioning. And this is the first image is the kit how it comes while we deliver. Once it is installed, it will be once it is fixed to the vehicle, and whilst it is functioning, it will be seen all the sides of the car. I think again it is gone. Yeah, stop sharing, go back, present again. I request all the people to pause their video so that I can present and continue. Are you able to see it?
Yes, yes.
Satyajit, can you see the presentation?
Yeah, yeah. You can continue.
Okay. Uh, because 1 minute, 1 minute.
We can't see Chaitanya
Yeah, yeah,
Nambiche.
yeah. That's what. 1 second. Because I'm in my another's number. It I'm to see. Who is it? Mr. Suresh Lad. Can you please stop presenting? Yeah. Okay. Now I think believe everyone can see in the presentation. Here, as explained, the second figure shows how the car is seen and the car cameras how they work. And normally these cameras are fitted like front in the front, one at the back, one at the mirror on the left, and one at the mirror right. So it can cover all the 360-degree, and it will create a 3D image on its own, and it will show you the all the sides of the vehicle. Okay, the next, this is a basic reverse camera system, which is normally used. Maybe many people will be knowing about this. In this system, what happens is one kit comes with the sensor and one kit comes without the sensor. Here, what we do is, if you don't want without the sensor, the camera will be fitted, and you can see the display on the head unit what is used by the company, or the head unit used by like aftermarket. What you can see in the second figure, that's aftermarket. It's a Pioneer system where it is used. Here you can see the image. In this, if you use with the second type, like with the sensor one, it will tell you how much far the vehicle is, and it will sense and let you know if anything comes in the middle and which you're not able to see also. So this will help you in reverse parking system. The next pictures what you can see now is, it's a DVR. It's a DVR which has been fitted to the front glass of the vehicle. What this DVR does is, this will record the all whatever you, whenever the vehicle is in the movement, and even it will record the behind also. The last image is a camera which is fitted at the back glass. So this will record you front and back both side. Here only the cameras are only two, but here also it's once again it will have a SD slot where you can record and you can get it downloaded also. And it has got a motion detector, like in case while you lock the car at the night, if someone comes and fiddles with the car, it will start recording on its own. So so that recording has been preserved. Plus it has got a backup of recording for 30 days. Okay, the next move on. This is the latest now what we are using. It's a LED headlamps. Actually, it's a projector based headlamps which is will be coming in the market soon. This is, we are just started actually. It's on the trial process. It will be on the trial run now actually. Here you can see once the image 3 shows the headlight unit after fitment, and the 4 and 5 image will show you the how it is how is the performance of the headlight, that is with the high beam and the low beam. This is pure LED system, where the where your original P43 bulbs comes in the headlight. You can just replace that headlight bulbs, and with this will fit directly to the headlight unit. Any brand, any company, whatever. It might be buses, it might be lorries, it might be bikes also, and it doesn't need any more of work to be done by a fitter. Any he can get it fitted by anyone can get it fitted by any roadside mechanic or anyone. Now this is the next figure. What you can see is, it's a aftermarket LED lamps. This is what we do. This is totally a imported product. These are not original products what comes from the OEM, like original vehicle way. These are all LED lamps which has been aftermarket. Here what we do is, we remove the original lights and we fit all this type of fancy LED lights. Some people youngsters and all will be interested in this. They more or they go for all these products. This is a high end luxury product. But this is, once again I'm coming to this is a car central locking system. This is the normally a basic requirement for the car, where the car has been can be controlled by a remote, so that once a car is locked with the remote, in case of theft, or in case of someone hammering the car or anything like that, it will trigger, it will tell the owner it is someone is trying to fiddle with your car. It's got even some units comes with the GPS tracker also. The next, this is another now the latest car and Android monitor system, which comes in the size of 7, 8, 9 and 10. And even the Tesla series have been come down in the market now. It's very huge. It's like 12 inches screen. Here this system works same like your Android phones. You need to get it connected through an Wi-Fi router or whatever Wi-Fi tethering system, as we say, from the phone. And the system works with the all the Android apps. This is the this system comes with the vehicle type also, and new one has come is with the rear headrest also has come now. It comes with the Android. It comes with the two units, and one will be a slave, one will be the major as a driver. So you can these the childrens can use this, and they can play with games or they can watch movies. Once again, it has to be worked on the same Wi-Fi router itself. Another one is the universal type. Now some old vehicles, some people they might have a basic system where we provide them the Android system for the original system with the steering interface and the system finisher. We can give them any sort of vehicle, it might be any brand, Suzuki, Honda, Hyundai, or even old like Suzuki brands have got a lot of old vehicles also, like Maruti 800 or Maruti Swift. There are old that can also be done with the Android now. Now we are coming for the bike lovers. The bike lovers, they have got some, not much, but we have got little about central locking. Then there is a bike music system, which they can use it on the go also, and it is very provides you the very clarity in music. It gets connected through your Bluetooth, so whatever phone, whatever the music files are there in your phone, that can be played through it. And there is a LED headlamps for bikes, which is used for normally for bullet bikes and other bikes. It looks like a cruiser effect, but gives you a better clarity and it can be seen from far. Next in bikes and car and bike detailing products. Now this is like, the product which is used for uh, cleaning the cars or bikes. Here what we do is we provide a kit, which is there are two types. One is 200 ml and 100 ml, and it comes with the kit, like one with the body wash, one with the tire wash, one with the dashboard wash, and one with the your stainless steel polishing and all this stuff, and one microfiber cloth will be provided in the kit. And this is a nice product which they normally we use for the cars. This is a Rain-X we call this. What we do is, whenever we apply this product to the front glass, normally not on the front glass, you can apply to any glasses, but normally it is applied to the front glass. Here what it happens is, whenever the rain fall, it will just slide it out. There won't be any sort of water remaining. Even if you are having the wipers working, it is different. But when sometime with the low rain, even if you put the wiper, it doesn't, the glass doesn't wipe properly and cannot be seen. But this product will make it sure, like, the front glass is very clean. This is a, once again, the bulk product what we sell for all garages and your companies like Maruti showrooms and all those stuff. It's the same product, but it is in a bulk packing. This is the product, the same packing, but it is a little bit the 200 ml pack. What is it is shown in the fourth image. This is also ultra foaming shampoo. This is also used as a bulk package for the uh, Maruti Udyog or whatever Hyundai showroom people. See this product. Now the sixth photo, what you can see is, it's a water spot remover. This is a very rarely you can find in the market actually, but and it has to be uh, used under some technically sound person, or someone who is been polishing the vehicle or something like, because a normal person may not be able to use this, because it's a very highly, if there is the usage of the material is little high, it might break the glass also. So we provide the training if anyone is interested, so that they can use this product. You can, and you can feel the once this product is used, you can feel the whole car. The glasses are really crystal clear. And I can provide you the link for this also. I will provide you the link with the Satyajit, where the product will be seen how it is used. Next, these are the latest car accessories what we do after, other than our wholesale products. These are all retail products. Here, what we do is, we do it all. We get it fitted in our own shop or in a showrooms, where you have to come down and get your vehicle or get it fitted. In the first, you can see that is the latest grill what is used Ford Endeavor. The next one is the Swift, backlight, it's a bumper tail light we call. And next is the pitch and the pitching meter that is used normally for off-roading purpose. And there is a fourth one that is this is a battery operated light. This LED will be fitted to the door. It is not, there is no wiring at all. It is just we have to put it with some adhesive. Here what happens is, it as the door is open, the light starts blinking, and it will blink for some time. Even if the door is left open for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it will go off on automatically. Once the door is closed and again open, it will get activated. This is a very good product. Now it is come the latest one, and I have been fitted in my vehicle also, as you can see in the image. Seventh one, that is my car where I fitted that product, and it works on a magnetic switching operation. As the door gets closed, it will get off. As you open the door, it will open again. And this is a Swift, the latest now what we can, it's a silver color what you can see the car. That is a sporting kit what is provided. It's totally an aftermarket where we replace your original bumpers front and back both. And then next one is the LED what you do bulbs, which is used now for aftermarket only. Like, whatever the bulbs what comes from the company, we replace those with these LED bulbs. And there's a next product which is used as a brake tail light. Actually, it will be fitted to your upper part of the glass for cars. It has got a lot of function. Actually, you can, like, it shows you while you brake or while you reverse it, the pattern of the LED changes. While you put the indicator, the pattern changes. It's a nice product with the but it has to be fitted in under our supervision, that only it can be working properly actually. And the last one is these are the diffusers we call. These are the diffusers used for different type of vehicle. This got, you can see it has been named Swift, New Swift, Polo. It's just a show image. It will give you a better feel for the car. Some sports enthusiastic people will love this product. Okay. The next, now these are the my earlierly had done some customizing in my car and many other of my friends' car, which I am showing you. Here, the front fog light you can see it's a good Hella the brand is. It will give you a range of around 500 meters, and you can see the Sony monitor what is used for just for the entertainment system, and here we got the Pioneer also, which is in the this thing. It's a very old car, but still we have tried to modify it and get it to look like a latest car. And the next what you can see here is that is we do some special effect like for the car. One is you can zoom in. I've zoomed in. Hopefully you can see it. That is one silver thing we have been fixed to the car doors. It's called as a damping product actually. What does it do is it gives you a better volume. It doesn't, whatever if in case of the high volume in the speaker, yeah, if there is some sound, extra sound in your doors and all, or any loose or any irritating sound sometime come, it will be damped by using this material. And there is a, these are the amplifiers. You can see what we do to drive the subwoofers and sometimes component speakers what is used in the car. This was my the where you can see the arrow now. This is my the first project for DLS. Actually, it's a American brand where we used high-end speakers, and it has got a monoblock amp, one monoblock, and two 4x4 amplifiers. Maybe some of the words everyone may not come to know, but some of the people who are interested in car, they might come to know. This is another one headlight you can see here after the yellow light. It is totally a customized light. It's a luminous concept we call it. Here what we do is we use your own headlights, what comes from the car, and we try to modify those headlights. In the yellow car, what you can see is it's a totally a modified car. Here we are using the headlights is aftermarket. We get, as you saw the LED tail lights earlier, the same way it is used in the aftermarket here. And the last one, the Brezza, you can see here we have used the aftermarket fog lights. Front grille also has been changed, and certain modification has been done on the car. And there is a one Alto you can see here on the top, which has got a all-round color changing with the remote control. We use it. It's a all-color road street light, we say. The next customizing is, these are all body kits. One second, I think so. You will not be able to see it. I'll present it once again. Someone is presenting actually. I request them to stop presenting. What was it? Vishnu K is presenting something. I request him to please stop the presentation so that I can continue my presentation. Satyajit, can you help me on that?
You can represent, then only
Yeah.
it's possible.
Okay. Fine. No, because the Vishnu K is presenting, it's not letting me to represent.
Jeevan,
Yeah.
you start your presentation. You share your screen once again.
Okay. Fine.
If
Now
someone,
I can. Now I can.
okay.
Yeah. Now I can. Yeah. Here you can see the customized cars, whichever these are all body kits. What comes ready made. These are all totally Thailand made PVC body kits, which comes as it is body kit like used for the same abrasive plastic what is used in the company material bumpers. Here these are some of my works what I've done in the Bangalore. Some are done in Mangalore also. You can see and have a look, and if anything is there, you can come to me to get it done with any bikes or any cars. If you got, you can get it done. The next is our Swamiji's car, which I have been doing from the beginning, and this is the latest Swamiji's car. What we have done, we have upgraded it from the inside and outside, and some of the accessories have been fitted to that. So this, with the blessings of our Swamiji, I still do that. And finally, I would like to thank Mr. Deepak Gandhare, who is our Guru Seva Samiti Sindhudurg president, and Mr. Pranay Pranay Teli, that he is a person who provided this Google Meet. To create a Google Meet, it is very difficult nowadays, but still he has been, with his big hearted, he has been given us this chance to meet all our community friends, all our Vaishya Bandhavas, and get connected at one floor. Then I would like to thank Satyajit Kanekar, who really involved me in this group, and he showed a lot of interest. And he told me, "This you better come into group." It was like a threat for me. So I hope you guys understand that. And I thank one and all if I've forgotten anyone. And I would like to tell you one thing, another one, which I'm going to having a new venture in my with my business also, which will be with related with the coffee. So this will be a product from, like, it's like a home product where this Misti Nadi is my own blend. It is coffee. It is a bit strong blend where you can see like 80% of coffee, 20% of chicory blended, and there is a, you can see the coffee arabica, robusta, and cherry is mixed in it. And there is other blends also which is normally available in the market. The same blend all we also provide. This Bhumi blend is a totally different. It is only for the coffee lovers. It is 100% coffee. And there's a next Cloud Aranya, that is it's a 70/30 what is available in the market, the same blend it is. And it is, next one is Hasiru Ayush, which is a green coffee actually. It is, some people love to have green coffee, they can try this out. And there is another one is Shantna Aga. So this is once again a medium roasted coffee beans. Some coffee people like this blend, so we are trying to get this also. Hopefully, I can come very soon and get it, put it in the market as soon as possible. And thanks a lot to all of you guys giving me this time to explain about my and products and my new ventures also. Hope to see you guys as soon as possible very soon, and we'll meet up whenever we can, and try to find some time and get ventured with a lot of products whatever you guys also have, so that we can develop our community in a better way, where we can help each other and sort of get it marketed, or whatever help we can do, or from my side whatever help I can do. And wish to see you all soon, guys. Thanks a lot, guys, once again. Yeah, Satyajit Ankur, can you
Actually,
take over? Yeah,
yeah, you can see questions in chat box.
inside chat box. Okay, let me see. Chat box.
You can stop present and you come on.
Please share. Okay. Okay. I'll. What is the time required to sanitize a vehicle? Okay, that is Mr. Praful Khanapur. It takes hardly 5 minutes to sanitize a car. But you want a thorough, it might take 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, it has been certified by the ARI, so no issue with that. So the product is you can use it any in any sort of garage or wherever you want to. That is for second question. Next one. Okay, for Rupesh, I'll share my mail ID on right on the screen. You can take it down, or you can share. You have got my phone number. You can message me. I can share it that also. Amit, is this official on the road? What is it? Do you need to cut out? Yeah, it's the LED bulbs are what Amrit Bhai they had asked the question regarding that. I'll explain. LED bulbs are always aftermarket bulbs are all official only. There is nothing like there is a bandwidth for that for the light density. So it will be coming inside that only. Like it's 4,500 to 4,300 or to 4,500 is the Kelvin range where RTO people normally tell us to be in that bandwidth. If it is above that, then they can put a fine. But our LED bulbs are less than that. It is around 4,200 Kelvin. How many amount is needed for presentation? What is the presentation of the Sitaram Gupta? Can you please message me on this on my phone ID so that I can explain you on that? Any further where I've missed? Rupesh, Rupesh, I request Rupesh Kadge to message me personally so that I can share you the details about the
Hello.
sanitizing machines. Can you hear me,
Hello.
Rupesh?
Hello.
Hello,
हाँ sir.
Rupesh Kadge,
Now, hello.
who is this? I'm not able to hear.
Prathamesh, this is okay. Prathamesh, ask your question.
Give me a
Yeah,
detailed steam wash machine price.
yeah. You do one thing. You share me. You take down my. You got. I think you can see my. Take down my mobile number and
Okay.
send me a request on the WhatsApp so that I will share you the details on the products and everything, all the
Okay.
how it is used, videos, everything. I'll get it shared. See,
Okay.
I've typed and sent my number once again. You can send me a WhatsApp request.
Okay.
Uh,
Nine dot
it
two.
is Rajesh Bobad. I'm not able to pronounce it actually. What about the car dash camera? You want to know the price about it? Who is this
Yes,
guy?
yes. I want to know the price about it and what and which this brand it is.
Branded is high tech only, and the pricing it ranges from 4,000 to 8,000. I think Anyone I've left out, please let me know. That is done.
Recent, you can check recent question.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Vishnu Satve, are you using spare parts of any specific brand? No, we don't. We customize everything for our own products. We don't buy out spares actually. We deals only with accessories. Prathamesh,
Hello, sir.
price list. Give me my service center in Mumbai. Fine. I'll share you my mail ID, Prathamesh. So I will. You can raise a request so that I can share you all the details on that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Praful Kanapur is the sanitizing machine portable? Yeah, it's very portable. It is around uh, 12 inch by 8 inches. It's very portable. You can carry down anywhere. It has got even the battery operated system also. I will share you the details. You please raise a request on my mail ID. Rajesh,
Okay. Andari sir.
Anand, last one is there. Anantesh, I think. Who would ask? Sanitization, this Rajesh Bobate, sanitation can be done on our own or supervision is required. See, if it can be done by you people only, but it depends. You need to invest on that machine again, or if you have got a workshop or something.
DNTचीच मशीन आहे पूर्ण डिटेल आहे माझ्याकडे आपल्याला फक्त चेक करायचं का आपल्याला प्राइस कॉस्टिंग मध्ये काय फरक पडतो
Hello, hello.
Okay.
Yeah, the last question I will take. Yeah, Anante Shet, do you have a mobile charging unit for bikes? Yeah, we have a mobile charging units for bike. The cost ranges from 250 to 400 or 500 rupees. You can contact me. I can supply you, no problem.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Dilip Dhawan. Many times I'm coming to Bangalore for marketing of the dairy products. Please give some time for me. Okay, no problem. If you give me a call, I can give you some time. No problem.
चेतन ना तुमगेला एक व्हिडिओ ऑन करा ते शेअर प्रेझेंटेशन आता
Hello. Hello, sir.
मतलब मेरे face video है.
होय होय होय
Okay, fine.
ओके
Yeah, you can see me.
या सी ओके अंधारी सर
Hello. Yeah, I think if I speak only the video comes in. Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
हा सर बोला
It's a nice presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hope you enjoyed it, sir. Deepak Andari, sir. Yeah, anyone would like to ask something or anyone wants to talk to me in person?
Sir, give me a rack liner in interior design you provide.
Rack liner. I couldn't get you, sir.
Rack liner interior design for car, luxurious making, custom
Yeah,
design.
which vehicle you were looking for?
Innova and Kia.
Innova and Kia. I've shared my mail ID. You can share your details on that so that
Okay.
I can share you the details on for Innova and Kia, what we have got.
Yeah.
So still anyone who wants to ask anything?
Excuse me, can I ask one
Yeah.
question? RTO permissions.
Yeah, please.
Hello, RTO permissions.
For what you want RTO permission?
Regarding these modifications, what sort of RTO permissions are required, like car modification?
See, RTO will only look, it will be a matter of the size of the vehicle actually. RTO has got certain norms like the length and breadth of the car shouldn't be increased. If anything is fixed inside that, then RTO will not provide any problems. Only with the regarding the films, what they use sometime. If it is
Huh.
darker, they create a problem. Rest all is, it will come in the RTO norms itself.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks. Nice meeting you, sir. It's Umesh Sirsat, right?
Yeah,
Ah,
thank you.
anyone wants to talk? Yeah, Satyajit. Anyone wants to talk anything on that? Anyone wants to ask anything?
Please check your chat box. Even
Yeah.
so I think there is no any questions. Jeevan, can you listen me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So Satyajit, can we conclude? Andari sir.
अंधारी सर.
Yes, now conclude. Okay. क्लोज करायला हरकत नाही, कन्क्लूड करायला हरकत नाही. आणखी कोणाचे प्रश्न नाही आहेत तर कन्क्लूड करूया ना.
हो हो हो. प्रणय दादा.
बरं. हॅलो.
हॅलो.
हा, बरं आता एकच प्रश्न सगळ्यांना विचारतोय की आता 3 तारीखला आपलं लॉकडाऊन संपतंय. तर ह्या 3 तारीख नंतर आपण हे कंटिन्यू ठेवायचं की काय करायचं? काय वाटतं प्रत्येकाला? मेसेज केला तरी चालेल, आपल्या ग्रुपवर मेसेज करा. हे जे सेशन आपण रोज घेतोय ते 3 तारीख नंतर कंटिन्यू करायचं की नाही करायचं? त्याच्याबद्दल मेसेज करा, आपलं मत नोंदवा तिथे.
अंधारीजी,
बोला बोला.
जर प्रणयजी कम्फर्टेबल असतील आपल्याला हे टेक्निकल सपोर्ट द्यायला, तर मला वाटतं सगळ्यांना हवं आहे ते. तर तुम्ही मेसेजवर तर घ्याच सगळ्यांचं हे, पण प्रणयजींशी पण बोला.
बरं.
थँक्यू.
ओके ओके.
तर माझ्या बाजूला काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही, नो प्रॉब्लेम.
ओके, मग कंटिन्यू करा. आपण आपल्या समाजातले चांगले लोक बघूया पुढच्या 15 दिवसासाठी.
जरा बाकीच्या चालू दे. हे बघा बाजूला बोलायला लागले ना, तसं पाहिजे आपल्याला. कंटिन्यू किती ते जरा इच्छा येऊ दे ना बाहेर.
हॅलो.
मुद्दा विचारतोय मी.
विचारा, तुम्ही विचारा.
हा, आम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये, पण लोकांची काय एक आहे ती बघू तरी आपण, काय इच्छा आहे ती.
येऊ दे, त्यांच्या मेसेज बॉक्स मध्ये जे येतात ते सगळे घ्या तुम्ही फीडबॅक.
हॅलो.
हा बोला.
अंधारी सर, मी पण द्यायला तयार आहे. ऍक्च्युली सर्व्हिस गाडीची देखभाल कशी ठेवायची,
ओके,
फोर व्हीलरचा आपण देखभाल कशी ठेवू शकतो, त्याच्यावरती एक प्रेझेंटेशन बनवून आपण एक दिवस कंडक्ट करू.
बरं. करा मला, नंतर बोलू आपण.
ओके ओके, चालेल.
मुंबईतून बोलताय का?
हो, मुंबई कल्याण.
कल्याण मधून बोलतोय ते, कल्याणचे.
बरं. फोन करा, माझा नंबर आहे ना तुमच्याकडे?
तुमचा नंबर नाहीये, सतीशचा ह्याचा आहे, सत्यजितचा आहे.
हा सत्यजित कडनं घेतलं तरी मिळेल किंवा सत्यजित कडनं देईल सत्यजित तुम्हाला,
ओके ओके चालेल.
किंवा लिहून घेऊ शकत असाल तर सांगतो.
हा सांग.
अंदाजे सर
88,
मी देखील
88.
काल याच्यानंतर चालू राहून ते माझं मत मांडलं होतं मी. आता बाकी सगळ्यांचं काय ते त्यानंतर ठरवा तुम्ही.
हॅलो.
होय होय होय.
हा सर.
88 88 चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये राहू का?
हा चालेल चालेल.
So, on behalf of Seva Samiti Yuva Shakti Seminar, I hereby thanking Mr. Ivan Sheth. Ivan Sheth.
कोण काढला?
अच्छा तुझं काय?
सत्यजित.
हा बोला.
जीवन शेठ बहुतेक न्यूज वाले वाटतं.
नाही आहेत ते आहेत बोला बोला.
नारकर सरांची विनंती आहे की फक्त समाजातील लोकांना संधी द्यावी. हा प्लॅटफॉर्म आपण समाजातील लोकांसाठीच केलेला आहे आणि विशेष करून शक्यतो तरुण उद्योजक जे आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी आपण प्लॅटफॉर्म सुरू केलेला आहे. त्यात करून काही वेळा आपण केलेले आहेत थोडस त्याला हे करून आपण केलंय की जे चांगली माहिती देणार आहे त्यांना पण आपण प्लॅटफॉर्मवर आणलेलं आहे. तर तरुण उद्योजकांनी पुढे यावं, आपले एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करावे यासाठी मुद्दाम आधी हा प्लॅटफॉर्म सुरू केलेला आहे. तर आहेत अजून बरेच मला वाटतं हे करण्यासाठी आपल्या प्रेझेंटेशन करायला बरेच लोक इच्छुक आहेत आणि जसे पुढे येतात तसं तसं आपण प्रत्येकाला संधी देतोय. तर त्याप्रमाणे प्रत्येकाच्या बिझनेस बद्दल पण माहिती मिळते आणि आपल्या संपर्क वाढतो, एकमेकांमध्ये प्रेम निर्माण होतं. त्यासाठी आपण हा उपक्रम सुरू केलेला आहे. हॅलो
सर संपवायचं का?
हो संपवायचं क्लोज करायला हरकत नाही.
क्लोज करायला हरकत नाही ना?
हो हो.
जीवन शेठ, once again thank you very much for your efforts towards today's speech. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Thanks a lot, sir. It was a nice meeting you guys, and we'll see to that we can meet up very soon. And I hope my presentation was good and you liked it all.
Yes, sir, 100%. That's good.
Okay, thanks a lot.